Which one is actually better, the Hisense E7Q or the Hisense E7Q Pro? Let's break it down, because on paper they look similar, but in real-world use, the differences actually matter more than you'd expect. Now, I'll give you a quick spoiler without ruining everything. One of these is clearly better overall, but the better choice really depends on how picky you are with picture quality, gaming, and long-term value. All right, let's get into it. Product overview. So first, the Hisense E7Q is basically Hisense's more affordable entry into the QLED TV space. It's designed for people who want a solid 4K smart TV, decent colors, and good everyday performance without spending flagship-level money. On the other hand, the Hisense E7Q Pro is the upgraded version. Same family, same idea, but with better processing, improved brightness handling, and more gaming-focused features. Think of it like this. The E7Q is the good everyday TV, while the Pro is the I want this to actually feel premium version. Features comparison. Let's start with features. The E7Q already gives you 4K resolution, smart TV functionality, and QLED color enhancement. So right away, it's not a basic TV. But the E7Q Pro takes things further with better motion handling, improved HDR performance, and usually a more refined gaming experience, especially if you're using consoles like PS5 or Xbox Series X. The Pro model also tends to feel a bit more responsive in the interface, which sounds small, but it actually matters when you're navigating apps daily. So feature-wise, the Pro clearly has the edge. Performance/picture quality. Now, this is where the gap becomes noticeable. The E7Q looks good, especially in bright rooms. Colors are punchy, and for casual Netflix or YouTube, it does the job really well. But when you move to darker scenes or HDR content, you start noticing the limitations. Blacks aren't as deep, and fast motion can feel slightly less smooth. The E7Q Pro, though, handles all of this better. HDR pops more, motion feels cleaner, and overall image processing just looks more refined. It's not a night and day difference, but if you put them side by side, you'll see it instantly.
Price, value. Now, here's where things get interesting. The E7Q is clearly the budget-friendly option. If you just want a big screen, smart features, and decent picture quality without overthinking it, it's a strong value choice. But the E7Q Pro, this is where you're paying for refinement. You're not just paying for more features, you're paying for better consistency in picture quality and smoother performance overall. So the question becomes, is the upgrade worth it? For some people, yes. For others, not really. Clear winner. So if we're being real, the Hisense E7Q Pro is the better TV overall. It's more refined, better for gaming, and gives you a noticeably improved viewing experience in most scenarios. But, and this is important, the Hisense E7Q is still the smarter buy for casual users who just want a good TV without paying extra for improvements they might not even notice. At the end of the day, both TVs are actually good. This isn't a bad versus good situation, it's more like good versus better, depending on your needs. But if I had to pick one for most people, I'd lean toward the Pro version, simply because it feels more future-proof and refined. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest comparisons.